for the tillers of the soil, which drones are the game changers in the field. Introducing the Vector HD580, revolutionizing agricultural drones, maximizing efficiency for superior returns, over 50% power redundancy for unmatched reliability, 62-inch carbon fiber propellers for unmatched durability. Pioneering globally, we've introduced automotive-grade flat-wound motor technology to agricultural drones, delivering stable thermal performance and unrivaled power output efficiency. 358 ESC for instant power and precise control, providing direct high-power electricity for faster signal control response and stronger power output. The HD580's intelligent battery features a grid design, increasing the heat dissipation area and enhancing temperature control. During flight, the front-mounted battery dissipates heat through real-time airflow. When charging, the VoltSmart 4.6 intelligent charger uses a high-speed fan for instant cooling. Dual battery cycle, easy and ultra-durable. 70L tank with dual nozzles for 30L min precision spraying 13. 8 ms top speed for unrivaled field efficiency. The optional force centrifugal nozzle mode allows a flow rate of 40 liters per minute. The droplet size is precisely adjustable from 50 to 500 microns. With high flow, strong penetration, and full coverage, offering substantial results for orchard operations. The third-generation high-speed centrifugal nozzles ensure stable flow, easy maintenance, and exceptional durability. 100L hopper for 300 kilograms min spreading efficiency. The auger conveyor design ensures precise material delivery, providing even spreading results. The auger can be replaced with multiple models to accommodate various tasks, such as fertilizing, seeding, feeding, and dusting. Autonomous capabilities for unmanned excellence, equipped with intelligent heading, one-button edge sweeping, single-side spraying, smart endurance, chemical supply prediction, multi-field operations, circular operation, prescription mapping, and more, enhancing the precision of detailed tasks. Avionics 5.0, dual redundancy for unmatched safety featuring dual IMU, dual GNSS, and dual barometers, providing multidimensional redundancy. The system integrates multiple modules into one unit with an IP67 protection rating. AirPilot 3.5, 6-inch sunlight readable display for clear control. Customizable function buttons enhance the operational experience. The built-in battery and 2 expandable external batteries provide an ultra-long usage time of up to 9 hours. The RTK GPS receiver provides real-time high-precision positioning. 2 kilometers stable image transmission for clear vision. In case of signal obstruction or poor signal quality, the system automatically switches to 4G mode, ensuring safe and smooth operation. Stability and reliability are the guarantees for high efficiency. Foldable 4-axis frame with reinforced truss for portability. The slanted body platform makes battery insertion and removal easier. This new design significantly improves performance and safety while reducing maintenance costs. Safety and intelligence, the core of your experience. The FPV 120 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens utilizes electronic image stabilization, area exposure optimization, and other technologies to ensure clear and stable image transmission. The virtual gimbal allows users to select the appropriate view based on operational needs. Dual 75W high brightness searchlights provide a 50-meter visibility range, ensuring clear vision during nighttime operations. Multiple radar matrices provide omnidirectional sensing in 3-dimensional space, offering excellent obstacle avoidance and terrain following performance. The maximum sensing distance is 70 meters, with significant obstacle avoidance capabilities. Join us in harvesting the future with the Vector HD580.